Hi, I'm Varuni Bhatibhage, Senior Lecturer in Law at Horizon Campus. I'm starting a new series of videos from today to give an opportunity to my students who have the dream of becoming a lecturer. This lesson is from my student Thilaksha. I'm sure you all know her very well if you have watched my previous videos. She is my student who helped me all the time to narrate my videos.
Hi everyone, I'm Thilaksha. So from this little video clip, you will get an understanding of the general principles of criminal law, such as what criminal law is, its purposes, how criminal law is made of, etc. Before we get started, let me give a very brief introduction about myself as well. So now you know my name. I'm doing my bachelor's based in law, which is a degree program awarded by the University of London that is affiliated with Horizon Campus, Sri Lanka. And recently I sat for my final year exams this May and I'm expecting results soon, as well as about to read my attorneys at Sri Lankan Law College. So during the time of my vacation, I thought of making few videos related to criminal law. So now let's get started. So before we get started, we must first know what criminal law is. So criminal law is a system of laws concerned with crimes and the punishments of individuals who commit crimes. Now you might be wondering, what does crime means? The term crime denotes an unlawful act, and this unlawful act is punishable by a state. In simple terms, the body of law that deals with imposing such punishments on crime is known as criminal law. So now you know what criminal law is. Alright, so now you know the basic idea of what criminal law is, and I'm so certain that you might be having tons of questions popping into your head at the moment. Let me sort this little question as well. You might be wondering, what is the purpose of criminal law? Well, I can't say there is one purpose when it comes to criminal law, because there are many purposes, but the main purposes are to define a variety of crimes. Let me put it like this way. Let's take the example of theft. The Theft Act 1968 defined what theft is. So in that section, they define theft as a person who dishonestly appropriates property belonging to another with the intention of permanently depriving the other of it is guilty of theft. So now you saw that criminal law has defined what theft is. You might be wondering right at the moment, what if someone is guilty of theft? What would be the end result? Criminal law gives an answer for that as well. Criminal law prescribes appropriate punishments for each of these crimes. As of example, you have heard about imprisonment, capital punishment, fines, rehabilitation, etc. So these are the purposes when it comes to criminal law we must know when learning the subject. Not to forget, before we move forth, we must also know who are the parties to a criminal trial. Generally, there are two parties, who is very well known as the victim, if not the prosecution, who must prove the offense, and the defendant, the defense, who must prove the defense. So in the below example, you will see how we write a case and what does each name stands for. Generally, criminal law is made of both common law and statute law. So what is common law and what is statute law? Common law is also known as the judge-made law or the case law. Statute law is the body of principles and rules of law laid down in statutes. Technically, in simple words, common law is based on past judicial opinions, while statutory law is based on current statutes. So that is the differentiation between common law and statute law. The given examples will give you a thorough idea how you see the common law in general and how you see statute law in general. With that, I will now conclude this video. The next chapter is all about basic elements to prove a crime, proving the elements of the offense, and figuring out an activity. I'm hoping to bring a video for that as well. And a very big thank you goes to Ms. Varuni for giving me the opportunity to share videos related to criminal law on her channel. Thank you to everyone for watching this video. I'll see you all soon again. Continue to have a wonderful day.
I'm sure you all enjoyed Thilaksha's very first lesson. Don't forget to comment below. Your comment will definitely be very precious for Thilaksha.